When I first started my YouTube channel, I wanted to bring everybody into the kitchen, irrespective of background, gender, race, occupation, age, whatever. I had the idea of bringing a soldier into the kitchen. But I knew nobody in the army, I had no friend in the army, I had no connections in the army. So I asked myself, how do I then get somebody to represent the military in this my cooking show? Oh, here comes the savior, and my brother who had always wanted to join the army, and I've tried so many legitimate ways to get into the army, but to no avail. Because of the passion that he has for the army, everybody calls him Soldier by name. We stand for peace. We stand for peace. Hello, Isaac here. Welcome to my channel where I show my love for cooking, culture and creativity. In today's video, I'll be showing you how I convinced my brother to play the role of a military officer to represent the military in a cooking show. Soldier! Mando! Attention! Start at this! Hold on! Trouble! Yeah! And because of his love for the army, with a bit of convincing, my brother agreed to take on the challenge and don in a uniform for the occasion. Trouble! Yeah! And this is a video that I don't want you to miss because he's so funny. Don't mind him of his ways and things that he's gonna be using in the video. Please, let's go watch the video. Viewers, this is your soldier guy. Right now you can see he's so fresh and he's so handsome. Alright, but anyways, he's single and then I believe he has been cooking for the army guys and some of the ladies. And so today, Soldier is here and he's going to give something new, a vegetable stew and rice.
I'm going to prepare you a rice with vegetables and with meat. Rice, but all the same, as a soldier, always a soldier, I have my knife and it's the same as a weapon to me. As my onion is on fire, I will pour my chopped meat into it. Then it makes sweet and comfortable for everyone to have taste of it.
Alright.
My green pepper also inside.
So everything is going in one pan?
Yeah.
Alright.
Because it's a vegetable rice.
Alright.
I'll stir it. Small. Yeah. And I will give it about 5 minutes. Then it's cooked. I'll add my small spices. Which is not too much. I'll add small spices to it.
Alright.
I will stir it small, slowly and gently with the egg. So I will stir the egg with the vegetable.
You are going to stir the egg with the vegetable.
So just this food, I used to prepare it in Lebanon in terms of waffle. I put a little bit of salt into it. Alright.
Okay.
And I will stir it small and gentle. And I will leave it for some time. To wash my rice, then we start to have our vegetable rice. So right now I wash my rice, which is a nice perfume rice.
Alright.
So right now I'm about to put my rice into it.
Alright.
I will turn it slowly for it to mix. left it for a minute. Because of the rice, I will still pour small sauce.
How long are you going to leave the rice on the stove?
I'll leave it about 30 minutes time.
About 30 minutes.
It's almost done.
It's almost done.
The water is measured. Whilst we are involved with technical eye in terms of shooting, so I use technical eye for measuring of water. Cover it curly. It's ready right now, and we will check it whether it's comfortable and suitable for us. Yeah, you use ground pepper for it, so I grind my pepper already too. And right now, my food is ready. Same thing, I will fry my egg. I will add egg with vegetable. That's why I said everything is vegetable.
Okay.
So I have my vegetable here. I will also fry it with the egg. And we'll add it to make it suitable.
All right. Okay. So yeah, let's see the food. Let's see the food. Okay.
The food is soja food, yeah.
Soja. Marco.
Yeah. It used to restrict it served by 111. We said it's restrict it. Oh. Oil, and I will start cooking my eggs.
Oh, together with the vegetables?
Yes, that is why I said everything is about vegetables. With all the food essential nutrients. So salt and to eat.
It's okay. So yeah, it's okay.
In terms of frying eggs, you must stir it well.
Okay. Alright. How long did you leave this on anyways?
3 minutes.
Sorry.
As I see the oil is already. Yeah. You are afraid?
Oh, Soja, you got scared me, Soja.
Load the gas.
Alright.
More.
Please. Alright, there's a very beautiful lady right here, and she's going to test Soja's food to see if it tastes good or not. And so, Soja, are you ready for your tester? Are you ready for your tester? Alright, tester, so please come on in.
I'm almost ready.
So your phone, you need to just.
The papa. And you're very sweet.
Yeah, but I told you.